Y'all, things definitely come in waves, I've noticed here of late, and I'm meaning carbonized gray. We've had so many diamond carbonized gray vehicles running through our shop here lately. It's been incredible, love it. This is John P. from Florida's custom ordered F150 from right here at Akins and Willies. It's been about a 4 to 5 month process in totality, from the order process, the vehicle arriving, and now doing our COVERT edition action. Let's go. It means so much to me, real deal, that the leveled on 34s nation is growing by the truck and by the state, y'all. We're having customers from across the country reaching out to us doing just what John did. Order a truck and allow Willies to do our thing and customize. We know what we're doing, y'all. First and foremost, that's the main benefit from dealing with a one-stop shop here. We are leveled on 34s via Fuel Typhoon gloss black wheel. It's a new wheel. We ran it on a couple other vehicles. I know John saw some we done and got some nice thoughts on this wheel. First time running it in full gloss black. We've done it in gloss black and milled in the past, so I love the all gloss black look. We are 295, 60-20, hence the leveled on 34 action. 34 inches tall essentially by 11.7 wide, so a great proportional balance of width and height on this tire size. So 295, 60-20 is a great tire size to look at if you're looking at customizing your next vehicle, hopefully with us, y'all. But this is the Nitto Recon Grappler, a true all-terrain tire that is more aggressive than the Terra Grappler G2 of past. So a good tread pattern, better off-road confidence, and great on-road performance as well. So I love this setup here in the +1. We are mild to wild scale. We're in that mid-level range. If anything, we're slightly on the more aggressive side. We're sticking out a good 2.5, 3 inches, but it's a great look in my opinion. And here's a good frontal shot of the carbonized gray, just looking great in the sunlight. Up front with the sport package, you get nice components, no chrome to speak of, except for a few subtlety items here and there. So we kept that side gray piece, kept the front grille gray as well. I know John told me that he eventually may go with a gloss black grille, so we did gloss black on the combo with the carbonized gray on the emblem up front to correlate and flow with the gloss black on the wheel, so it's going to tie together all so nicely. So I like the Lariat package, especially with the sport package. We did got the factory forward running boards, got rear wheel well liners. This is like our Kate Miss gotta add it items on our COVERT edition package, y'all. So then out back, emblem to match, and got a nice trifold bed cover out back and the Ford bed divider. I haven't showcased this enough. Let's flex our bed cover back to show you this option. A nice bed divider. I've told you guys and gals before about accessories and items that you can incorporate where your bed cleats go. So this installs right there where that side bed cleat would and gives you nice storage and divider space there to where you can put items that you don't have to be cumbersome to reach far in the back. So the nice bed divider to me is a great addition overall. So 2-inch level kit from Ready Lift up front, top mounted there. It's a 2-inch built aluminum spacer, so it gives you great confidence in knowing that you're going to have a leveled ride that's going to be done in a legitimate fashion. And then on the inside of the F150 Lariat Sport interior, you've got the contrast of the black and the wine color. Looks almost like Marsala to me throughout. Let me know what you think about this interior. I honestly like the contrast. I know a lot of you all mentioned that you don't like the two-tone. Yes, I know that an all black inside on a sport truck makes the most sense, but having the 2 different colors going on the inside, I don't mind it at all, y'all. It just kind of gives more detail to the overall interior. You notice here too, the perforations are even different, and you got some nice piping and contrast gray stitching throughout, but your center console does have the two-tone. But the 12-inch touchscreen and all the amenities that this 14th gen F150 brings to the table are so legit, and I love the brushed aluminum look on your dash as well. And we're talking about something such mundane as a floor mat, but a floor mat makes a big difference. Y'all, we have Husky liner, their top tier liner from Husky, and you got the WeatherTech, which we run mostly, and then the Ford all-weather. What's your thoughts on floor mats? I like the Husky. They're very similar. I would say the WeatherTech cover slightly more overall surface area, but the Husky and the Ford have a more of a rubbery feel to it, which I like. I love all three of them. There's no wrong answer here, but Husky is a great option. And lastly, part number 730125T, the Hypertech Inline Speedometer Calibrator. This does take, you know, a couple hours to install, but like, do you want your speedometer to be 4 miles an hour off or not? So essentially, if you were going 70, you'd actually be going 74, 75-ish with this overall tire size. So is it worth the stress and hassle of worrying about it, or just put the speedometer calibrator on there and have no worries? I lean towards the speedometer calibrator every time. So another Akins Ford F150 Lariat COVERT edition, leveled on 34s, heading out to Florida. Another great customer. Thanks so much. I didn't get to spend enough time talking with John as I wanted to, but maybe we can reconnect down the road again. Maybe we can do the grill paint for him and the side badges, and this does have a V8, so maybe a supercharger is in store down the road. Who knows, y'all? But just the ability to connect with each and every one of you all is huge to me, and it's huge to the dealership and our accessory store as well. But just know that it means everything to us. We truly care about each and every truck, each and every customer. It's a total package right here at your source, Wild Willies in Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. I'm your boy, y'all. I'm speechless. I mean, like, there's so many possibilities for everything auto right here in Winder, Georgia at Akins Ford, y'all. So you got to stay tuned, and your boy's gonna be bringing it to you on the daily. Peace out.